first of all, could you introduce yourself first?
Yes, I could. So I'm Pradeep from Andhra Pradesh. I'm currently pursuing BTech in the Department of Civil Engineering,
Okay.
and my hobbies are watching movies, listening to music, and reading books. And
Okay.
yeah, as you know, I had a channel named Inkster Pradeep. Yeah, that's
Okay.
it.
So apart from that, is there anything which you really want or you are fond of doing that things like
Yes.
playing, wandering, or watching something else, or making some new things?
No, I don't have. I just yeah, I love to watch content related to English on YouTube. And
Okay.
yes, I mostly listen to music or watching Friends. Friends is my favorite Friends show.
So what's your channel name?
Inkster Pradeep, ENG.
Angster Pradeep. Okay. Okay.
Yes, I am.
So hey, there is one conversation with the Clappingo.
Yes,
Uh,
I do got some 1 month subscription from Clappingo.
everybody do only for 1 month. Everybody does these things. Yep, it's expensive. That's why it's not our cup of tea
Yes, it
or
is.
our expense like beyond our thinking. We can't afford
Yes,
that such thing.
yeah, yes,
Okay,
you're right.
so like as you introduce yourself, then I think I should introduce myself as well. So
Please go on.
My name is Ravi, and I am from Jalandhar, which is in Punjab, and I work in
Okay,
Shriram Transfer Finance Company. And if I talk about my hobbies are playing cricket, only gully cricket, not national.
okay,
Watching cricket
yeah,
and watching some videos on YouTube. But these days,
okay.
I am fond of learning English, and I am aim to learning English.
Wow,
Whatever
that's
I do
fantastic.
these days, I do only for improving or enhancing my English. So I
Wow,
devote, like rest of my time to
to
English.
English. That's great,
Yes.
bro. Yeah.
So okay, what do you do to improve your English? After that, we do something good. Just
Yes.
I want to ask you, like, because I want to pick up everyone ideas, like how can I implement on myself? If I feel that your idea is much better than mine, so definitely I'm going to pick that idea.
Okay, that's great. I mostly get input from YouTube channels. Like
Okay.
I follow some YouTube channels like Alina Rice and uh, Learn English with TV series like Friends.
Okay.
And I also watch more English related movies, Hollywood movies like Disney movies and Friends web series. And yeah,
Okay.
and for speaking, I don't have any other alternative because there is no English environment here in my village. So I am approaching you guys to practice spoken English with me.
Okay.
And yes, I read books and that's it, I think.
Okay. So, and for learning, like for speaking, you do conversation with other, and for listening, you watch Alina's video, some other videos. But about
Mm.
your reading or writing, do you like
Oh,
to read
reading.
or write something like?
No, I don't usually write in English, but I do read books like
Okay.
personality development books, and yeah, and I like stories. I like reading. I'm fond of reading stories like Sudha Murthy. I think you know Sudha Murthy.
Yeah, I
Have
have
you?
heard
Yeah.
a name, but I don't know. I've just heard name
Okay.
from some
I
like you, and there are some other people. I think Vikas
okay.
also mentioned.
Okay.
Do you know Vikas?
Yes, like English area. I think is
Yeah,
he?
he also
Yeah.
mentioned this.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, I love reading Sudha Murthy's book. She's a great storyteller, and yeah, and personality development books. And yes, that's it.
Okay. These
For
days,
reading part.
these days, Alina has become everybody favorites.
Yes, because her English is fabulous and her
And
speaking style and the language she used is too easy to understand. So
yeah,
she's
that's the main
yes,
point. And
yeah,
before 2 days ago, I watched her one videos. From there, I picked one point. That was
okay,
don't try to use, high profile verb or phrases.
yeah, fancy
Fancy.
words or
Like
yeah, yeah,
if if you are able to deliver your content with, simple word, then you can, because when you use simple word, then you can deliver your content in a good way, and
yes,
another
yeah,
person can understand easily. Your
yes,
content should be understandable.
yes.
That's that's,
You're
that's
absolutely
I
correct.
observed, and I got, I picked from her. So if simple word can serve my purpose, then why should I use fancy word?
Yes. Yes, we don't have to. I mean, show off our
Yeah,
how much vocabulary we have. We don't have to. We just have to deliver our. We just have to communicate freely, and we should be aware of the person who are speaking with. They should understand
yeah.
our feelings. Yeah, I mean,
Like feeling and your
and
whatever you want
opinion,
to deliver your
whatever.
opinion.
Yeah,
If
yeah,
your these words can serve your purpose, that enough. It's a
yes,
language, not a subject. That like it's not a math or science that you have to grab all rules and regulation. You have to use by book, so that you want to become a science or you want to invent something. No,
yes,
you have
yeah,
to deliver your content, because you know Hindi and another person he knows English. So there is a gap between your conversation. You want to remove that gap. That's why we are learning this language. It's
yes,
international, you can say.
absolutely, absolutely, yes.
Okay, so I think it's you have passed BTech or you are pursuing BTech.
I'm pursuing BTech. I'm in third year now.
Third year
Yeah,
now.
yeah.
That's
One more
highly
year to
progressed.
go.
Okay, that's great. So do you want to what could I say? Okay. Mm, I want to ask something. Actually, yesterday with whom I was making conversation, that is also belong to your society. Like I think BTech or something. I think he's
Engineering side.
yeah,
Yeah.
engineering side.
Okay.
So I
So
confused. Okay. So first of all,
okay.
I just ask you simple question. Like, for what?
Okay.
Why do you want to learn English?
I'm sorry. Could you please repeat it? I couldn't hear you.
Why do you want to learn
To
English?
learn English. Yeah, because English is uh, so important nowadays. If you want to get a job, the interview will be in English, and yeah, it is international language and it is one of the official languages in India. And if you want to go abroad, you should learn English. And if you can speak English, you can go anywhere in the world. It's an international
Yes,
language.
it's true.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
And above all, I just love this subject, and I mean, just love the language. I just want to be fluent in it. That's it.
Okay.
Other
So
than another time. Yeah,
when you
yeah.
start,
My mother tongue is always my first favorite. Yeah. After that, it is my favorite subject. I'm
what's
sorry,
your mother mother tongue?
Telugu.
Like
Telugu. I'm
okay.
from Andhra
Oh
Pradesh.
my
Yeah.
God, you are also from Telugu. Yeah, that's the common between three people. Like before you, I was making conversation with someone. Mm, I forgot her name. Just wait.
Okay.
He is also from Telangana. What's
I
his
think
name?
Ram. Is he Ram?
No, not
Okay.
Deep.
Meghana. Is she or he?
No, he.
Okay. I just
Harish.
know. Okay. Okay. I
Harish.
don't know that guy.
Yeah,
Okay.
he's and I made a conversation with someone yesterday. That person also from Telangana.
Okay, that's great.
Yeah. Okay. When you started learning this language, what type of difficulties did you face?
Yeah, yes. I started learning in my, coming to learning, coming to reading and learning this language. I am basically from English medium till my
Okay.
till this BTech. But coming to spoken part, I had issues with spoken part. So I started learning. Speaking. I started speaking English in the end of this January 2021.
Okay.
Yeah, I started speaking. I started conversing in English on Clapping. Yeah, website. It is my
Okay.
beginning. Yeah. I just took a Clapping subscription, and then actually at the beginning I was so hesitated to I was hesitated to speak English, and I'm so nervous and I'm not confident to speak English. But after the subscription, I got to be confident. Yeah.
Okay. So have you ever felt that or realized that it's not my cup of tea, or I can't speak in English, so I should quit this thing. I should kick off that things like whatever I want to speak in English, but I am not able to speak, so I should stop this thing right now. Have you ever felt this such type of feelings?
No, I haven't, because it is a language I have been learning till 12 years, I think, 12 or 13, whatever it will be. But it's just about the speaking part. I haven't felt like that. I have the confidence that I can speak this language. It is not a, yeah, it's not impossible. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Actually, I want to ask you in connection with your headphone.
Okay.
Actually, I also bought when I purchased headphone, Bluetooth headphone, but after 1 or 2 months, it damaged. First,
Okay.
like first left side damaged. After that, I was unable to listen to another person. So after and its charger capacity, it reduced just to 20 to 25 minutes. So I
Okay.
wanted which company headphone is it?
It is Petronics.
Petronic.
Petronics. Yeah.
Okay.
I bought it on an offer, in an offer in
Offer
the, yeah, it is, its actual price is 2,100, but
from
I
where?
uh, from Amazon, Flipkart, I think Flipkart.
Flipkart.
So it is, yeah, it the actual price is 2,100, but the offer price is 700 rupees only. So I
Oh
bought it
my God.
from that.
But
Yeah.
I didn't purchase that one. I won somewhere. Like, do you know they've spoken English? There is one channel on YouTube.
Okay. I haven't heard about it, but okay.
Yeah. I won that for headphone there. Actually,
Okay.
there was you can say examination or something. So I gave all answer correctly and I won that headphones.
Okay. That's
Yeah.
great. So how about you? I would like to know about your English journey. I mean, what are the
Okay.
difficulties you have faced at the beginning of learning, and yeah, how are
Yeah.
you feeling now? Yeah.
Okay. So
Yeah.
frankly speaking, when I was learning this English, especially if I talk about myself, I was afraid of learning English. I was afraid of English. When
Okay.
I was in fifth class, I got just 30 to 40, 34, 35 pass mark. When I
Okay.
was seventh, eighth class, I got just 40 to 45 marks. I don't know uh, how I got the such that marks because I was not good.
Okay.
I don't at that time I didn't know any rule of the grammar. What I do, I just copy and paste.
Okay.
I had some good friends, and they used to help me to pass that particular exam. I was good at science, I was good at math, but I was not good at English.
Okay.
And even 12th in school exam, I failed, but somehow in board exam I passed. So the my journey was not good. I love even that I love English. I wanted to be good in English. That's why I never felt bored, or I never try to. And I have been learning this language. If I saw like I use some bad or traditional method. That's why
Okay.
I have been learning this language for 1.5 year. Because
Okay.
in the beginning I thought that first of all I should revise, I
The
should learn
grammar.
grammar.
Okay. Okay.
Then I should after that I should write something so I could I cannot make any mistake. So this
Okay.
I adopt this method that at that method I think I
Okay.
made a big mistake.
That's the reason you have been. I mean, it's in
Yeah,
a long time. Yeah,
yeah.
it has taken a long time. Yeah.
When I was watching some videos on YouTube in the month of February 2021. I watched
Okay.
something Mega, uh,
English with Megha. Yes.
English with Mega, English with Sonam, English with Pratima, English with Mantu.
Okay.
Then I realized
Okay.
what they were doing, what I was doing.
Yeah.
They were, they were spending their more time on speaking parts, and I was
Yeah.
spending more time on reading and learning grammar part.
Okay.
So then I decided
You
from now
realize it.
I have to speak. I had to speak more and more English. Yeah, before that,
Wow.
before January, I could speak. It doesn't mean that suddenly after I just thought I took a swear and after that I start speaking English. It doesn't mean that.
Oh,
I could speak
okay.
before.
You
Yeah,
haven't tried before January, before February. Yeah.
yeah, I could speak, but I was not good at speaking. I got stuck, or I
Yeah.
was some hesitation. I don't know how to make a conversation other like how to break the ice, like how to start the conversation. After
Yeah.
watching these videos, I first what I did, I just started sending a message to everyone. Can I have a
Okay.
conversation? Can I have a conversation? Can I have a conversation? These types of messages. Some of them they response, some of them they didn't respond. After that, I made my channel. So after that, I made my own channel so that I could
Okay.
invite other with whom I
Yeah.
could make a conversation. So this and yeah, I have taken also subscription on Clappingo. The month
Yeah.
of May
Okay.
here, I have taken 20 classes.
Okay.
I have some problem like I live in Himachal, so whenever I speak, be it Punjabi or any other way, I speak fast,
Okay.
very fast. So this is the my big problem. I want to
Okay.
speak slow.
Okay.
Yeah. So they realize my mistake, and everybody they suggested to me to speak slow. So I am now this time I am working on it. I try to speak slow.
Wow.
And
And
yeah,
your English is so good. No issues about that. And you have improved a lot in this short period. I would say your English seems
uh,
so good.
I
Actually.
actually I never try to use fancy word because I have learned a lot of word whenever I write something I use there. But
Okay.
in conversation I just because as she mentioned in her video, like Elena and somebody also mentioned that don't try to use because people uh, if you use a like a lot of fancy word after that other people say he is not good at English.
Yeah, maybe because they don't know that word. I mean, they didn't come across that word, so that they may think about it.
No, it
Yeah,
doesn't
think like
matter. Be it English or be it your business.
yes.
Nobody want nobody wants like you go or like you get success in your business or in your whatever you want to achieve.
Yes.
This is the reality. In India, I don't know in another country, but they feel. But in India, especially your real ones, your friends, oh, he starts speaking English. No, they start
Yes.
they start
They
defaming you.
start making fun of.
They
Yeah, they
start
start
making
making fun of
fun of
us. Yeah, you're
yeah.
right.
What they do.
But yeah,
So
but
every day I read one newspaper every day on the there is one channel in Ashish classes on YouTube. I read editorial
okay,
there. After that, watch some videos. Alena and English with Chandan. I love these channel. So and after that,
yes.
I revise some grammar rule and vocabulary and phrases. And yeah, if I have time, then I try to make more conversation with other like. But if I don't have time, so I just make for 15 to 20 minutes. Yeah, if I don't have partner, it's okay. I made my own video on my camera.
You will be with yourself. Yeah.
I make my own video. If I have partner,
That is good.
that's okay. So yeah, actually, why I feel that I should have somebody because when you speak with someone and okay, some of them they want to they want to correct you, but some of them they do not want to correct you because hesitation.
Yeah.
There is one problem, hesitation. If I correct you, what will he say? He will make a conversation with me again or not? We have still
Okay.
these types of hesitation.
Yes, you're right.
Yeah. And sometimes we feel insult. For example, if you correct me, oh, here you use, I think, like for example, I use present indefinite, but I use present past tense. I made, and you correct me. Oh, you made a make a wrong sentence. Here you need to use present simple, and then I feel insult. Oh,
Yeah. Yeah. They
what
will.
he said. So such
Yeah.
a
We will feel.
yeah, such type of things I don't have. If anybody
Okay.
if anybody tries to correct me, okay, and I
Okay.
will
I'm
watch.
going.
Yeah,
Yeah.
because
Me. Me either.
it's
Yeah.
my
I.
probation period. Like you can say,
Yes.
uh, when you join any company, you can't be a member of a company in the from the first day.
Yeah.
First, yeah, you are recruited as a trainee. After that, there is a probation period when they feel that now you are good. You can produce something for the company. Then they give you employment letter. So
Okay.
we can say it's our probation period. We our
Yes.
learning period. We are learning.
Yes.
So
Yes.
like
I had so much friends who are good at English, and they are always I mean, let know my mistakes and correct me as well. Correct that sentences.
it's okay
Yeah.
if they
I'm very, yeah, I'm very lucky to have friends
yeah,
like that.
that's
And they're always supportive, and yeah, they yeah they won't make fun of me. They're always supportive, and yeah, that's what I want to say.
definitely true friend. It means who stand by you in the adverse situation, who always help you. Like now you need someone, and this time if they support you, definitely they are your friend.
Yes, luckily I had a good friend circle. Yeah. Yes.
Okay, so
Okay,
okay,
shall we wrap up? Yeah.
no, and I think did you make any question with Mega?
Yes, I have. Actually, I was the first subscriber who talked to Mega when
Oh, really?
she. Yeah. Yes. Yeah.
Yeah.
You can see the video on my channel, and you can see
Okay.
that video on her channel too. Yeah.
Okay. So apart from this, like you have some group or some friends who always correct you, uh, okay, with whom you make a conversation. Apart from that, what do you do? Like you upload any video on YouTube for other people. Would you like to render your service to other, or would you upload like now? Yeah, it's I would say your English is good. Now, would
Okay.
you like? Yeah.
Okay. You're like, I mean, you're saying that about. Am I going to train someone? Is that like,
I
are you
think
asking that?
now, yeah, like we make a conversation. After that, you uploaded your video on your channel or not?
Yeah, I will.
You
I'll
didn't?
upload it. I'm sorry. I didn't get you actually.
Sorry. Actually, I'm asking you, did you upload your video on your channel or not?
Yes, I have.
Okay, you have uploaded.
I'm doing shorts actually. Yeah,
Okay.
shorts. Oh, yeah. I think you have know about. I mean, you know about shorts. Uh, like,
Okay.
yeah, I like about tongue twisters and phrasal verbs, some fun activities. like
Okay.
that. Yeah.
So in the
Yeah.
BTech, it's your final year or second year?
Third year.
Third year.
Mm,
Final year, I think. Okay.
4 years.
So
Yeah. BTech is yeah.
it's a 4 year study. Oh my God.
Yeah, 4 years course. 4 year course.
Still, you have 1 year is left.
One more year. Yes,
One
you're
more year.
right. Yeah.
And after that, you will continue your study further.
No, I'd like to. I mean, I'll try to get a job in my field. Oh, yeah,
Okay.
that's it. I don't have any plans to extend my studies. I mean,
Okay.
to go with further studies. Yeah.
In your stream, is it difficult to get a job or easy to get a job? In your stream, engineering stream, like.
I don't know. There are plenty of jobs. We just have to give it our try. Give our try to it. I don't know more about that job sector. Yeah.
Okay. So
That's yeah.
is it your choice to become an engineer, or like it's your father or your relative's choice?
Oh, it's mine actually. Actually, I don't know when I'm going to get into the engineering. I don't know what stream I would like to choose, but I approached my teachers and friends, and civil is one of the best. I mean, it is a evergreen area, so that I just get into it. I don't know about that. It's my choice only. There is no external forces on me. Yeah.
Sometimes we run after our friends.
Yes, you're right.
If he goes to become, then I will also do become. If he
Yeah,
goes,
yeah. Because we don't have any idea about that courses, yeah, what we are going to do, and
yeah,
still we don't know our passion. What is our passion?
yeah, actually, and even we do not want let him go.
Yeah.
That's why
Yes.
I did same mistake. After 10th class, I was doing, I want to do something else, and but my all friends they want to do and they choose. So actually, they wanted to be a CA, and after that they want to become. So that's why they chosen CA. Sorry, commerce. If
Okay.
they took the admission in commerce side, so I also took the admission in the commerce side.
Okay. Yeah.
That was a
Yeah.
big mistake.
Some,
And you know, I think more than 4 or 5 subject I failed.
okay. Yeah. Yeah. We were. We don't know what subject we have to take. Yeah.
I was not
There are
good at
so many options.
all the subjects are were in English.
Yeah.
Yeah, actually, I love Punjabi, I love Hindi, but I don't like to read any like a tough subject like math or some these things in Punjabi. So I got failed. I failed in business. I failed in accountant. I failed in statistics. I failed.
Okay.
We do actually. We generally do these things. We run after.
Yes, you're right. Every Indian will go these things in their life. Every
Spe-
Indian, I
especially
would
in,
say.
especially in girl case. If my duck mind, if he if she wants to be a become, if she want to be like whatever she want to do, I we always run after her,
Yes,
like
that
documentary, that
yes,
girlfriend.
yes, you're right. So, what else, Ro? What
Okay.
are you going to do after our conversation?
After conversation, I have some work because this day on this day today, it's I am not as already mentioned that I work somewhere. So
Yes.
today I am working from home, like work from home. So
Okay.
I have to do something like my work.
Okay. Yeah, I
Yeah.
have seen your videos with Parveen Khan yesterday. So,
Okay.
Parveen Khan is one of my favorite tutors on Clappingo. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, she's nice. Actually, it was by mistake, you can say. I just made 1 or 2 videos, made a conversation with her because
Okay.
in Clapping, I think more than 20 to 15 to 20 tutor.
Passions.
So
Okay.
yeah, I made a lot of video with Nidhi and Anushka
Okay.
for yeah.
I don't know about them because yeah, in that any ALS, I mean, I took the Clappingo subscription in its initial stage. Yeah.
Okay. So
Yeah.
have you completed your journey like subscription, which you
Yes.
have?
Yes.
Okay.
It's about 2 months ago. I have completed that subscription. Yeah.
I have
In the
completed.
March.
I took a subscription in I think 2nd May, and
Okay.
yeah.
2nd June it was completed. Yeah.
No. It I already
Before
regular.
2nd.
I have taken classes regularly, so I have
Okay.
completed my subscription. I think 24 May or 25 May.
Okay. That's
Yeah.
great. So have you felt any difference between before taking the subscription of Clapping
Yeah.
after taking?
So
Yeah.
there is literally there is you can say difference between what I was I used to do or I did some mistake while speaking. So
Okay.
what they suggested to me, this time I am working on it. So
Okay.
first
That's
of all,
great.
I try to speak more and more because without speaking or without writing, I don't think so. I can be
Yeah,
a
we
good
couldn't
English.
improve.
Yeah.
Yes, you're right. So what else,
Okay.
bro?
Okay.
Anything else?
No. Today it's so we can say we just spend our
Had
time
enough conversation. Yeah.
just,
Enough time. Yeah.
just asking to each other. And next day when we will make a conversation, definitely we ask something good related to
Okay.
in connection with anything like some interesting topic, imagination topic.
Okay, that's great, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay then.
Bye bye,
Have a
bro.
great evening, bro. It's an incredible conversation with you.
Thank you.
Thanks to give me your time. Yeah.